What's up, guys? Purchased this safe. Works good. Side of the bed, car. It has 6 numbers for a code, or it operates on a fingerprint. Opens up just like that. Time, temp, moisture is all read out on an LCD display. You got a nice little light in there. 4 AA batteries with a backup charging port if your batteries go dead to get it open. Tumbler keyhole. And then the mounting system here can be mounted a bunch of different directions depending on how you want to mount it, where you want to mount it. Through the ceiling, through the sides. Simply put the bracket on and it gets a little thumb screw from the inside. So if you guys are looking for an EDC safety choice, check these out. They're pretty neat.